Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to find the k value and the second root if this given quadratic equation has one root which is -1. So now let's go ahead and get started with our solution. As we know that this given quadratic equation has one root which is -1. So I can say that this root is x equal to -1. So wherever we see x variables in this quadratic equation, we are going to replace it by -1. Let's go ahead and do this thing. K times -1 square minus k minus 1 times -1 minus 3 equal to 0. So here you can see this is -1 square is 1. So this simply becomes 1k, and here this negative sign and this -1, that's going to becomes +1. So I'm going to put down +1 times k minus 1 minus 3 equal to 0. So this is 1k same as k plus here +1 times v. Let's go ahead and distribute this one. So that's going to be plus 1k minus 1 minus 3 equal to 0. Let's combine these k. 2k minus 4 equal to 0. Let's move this -4 on the other side. So 2k equals to 4. Divide both sides by 2. So this 2 and 2 is gone. So k turns out to be equal to 2 value. So thus our k value turns out to be 2. And now in our next step, as you can see that this is our given quadratic equation and we figured out our k value. So wherever we see k, we are going to replace the k value 2. So this simply becomes 2x square minus k is once I replace it by 2 minus 1 times x minus 3 equal to 0. So that is going to be equal to 2x square, and here 2 minus 1 is 1. So this becomes -1x, which is -1x minus 3 equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. And now in our next step, we know that one of our root is -1. We know our root is -1. So we are going to use the synthetic division. And synthetic division is really simple to deal with. And now let me show you how we can perform the synthetic division. Let's focus on this quadratic equation over here and focus on these coefficients 2, -1, -3. Let's write down these numbers 2, -1, -3 over here on the top. And let's look at this root that is given to us is -1. That is going to go outside. So let's get started with the synthetic division. The very first step is let's bring down this first number, which is 2, all the way over here, and let's diagonally multiply. -1 times 2 is going to give us -2. We are going to write down over here, and now add these numbers. -1 and -2 is going to become -3. Let's multiply -1 with -3. When we multiply that one, that is going to give us +3. Let's add these one up, so that's going to give us 0 as our remainder. Now let's focus on our this part only, this one. And here you can see that this we are going to put it without x, and this is with x. So that means this is going to become 2x, and this -3 equal to 0. Let's move this -3 on the other side. So 2x equal to 3, divide both sides by 2. So this 2 and 2 is gone. So that means x turns out to be 3/2. And by the way, if you have more questions about syntactic division, you can easily check out my syntactic division YouTube videos by just typing in Premath syntactic division. So thus our final answer is k equal to 2 and our second root is 3/2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.